prescription I got you is wearing off a little bit. You're gonna be really realizing where you are at. So, Lawrence, I do apologize, but just stick them up.
What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah, what do you want?
You tried to kill me, Lawrence. That's what I want. I want my life that you were taking away from me. Ah! Ah! Hey.
Alright, Lawrence? Alright, you're good, okay? You're coming down now. You know, you remember things. We're friends, okay? We're friends. Why would I kill you, huh? Why would I kill you? Answer me. I wouldn't kill you over this.
You had the gun up to my face.
Lawrence, come on. That was I was just trying to get some sense into you. Come on now. You're really just, alright? You're alright. Now put the gun down. Give the gun back, okay? Alright, listen. Hold the gun. It's not even loaded, okay? We're gonna go back to the house, okay? I'm gonna tell you everything that happened. But for right now, you need to listen to me. You need to put the gun down and give it to me. Give me the gun, Lawrence. Give me the gun!